Hey guys, welcome to Financial Health and Wealth, where we educate you on the various ways to improve your life financially and to live long, healthy lives. So today, we're going to talk about when it is okay to use a credit card. And if you'd like to see more of this type of content, then like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know about future videos. Let's get started. So when is it okay to use a credit card? Some would say never. But there might be situations in which using a credit card may be the option you want to go with. Many families use credit with good intentions, and then life happens. Surprise expenses or a change in income leave them struggling to get ahead of growing debt. To be fair, there may be times to use credit and times to avoid using credit. Number 1, purchasing big ticket items. A big screen TV or a laptop purchased with a credit card may have additional warranty protection through your credit card company. Features and promotions vary by card, however, so be sure to know the details before you buy. If your credit card offers reward points or airline miles, big ticket items may be a faster way to earn points than making small purchases over time. Just be sure to have a plan to pay off the balance. Number 2, travel and car rental. For many families, these two items go hand in hand. Credit cards sometimes offer additional insurance protection for your luggage and for the trip itself. Your credit card company may offer some additional protection for your car rental. You might score some extra airline miles or reward points in this category as well because the numbers can add up quickly. Number 3 is online shopping. Credit card and debit card numbers are being stolen all the time. Online merchants can have a breach and then not even be aware that your credit card info is out in the wild. The advantage of using a credit card as opposed to a debit card is time. You'll have more time to dispute charges that aren't yours. If your debit card gets into the wrong hands, someone might be quickly spending your mortgage money, food and gas money, or college tuition for your kids. Credit cards may be a better choice to use online because the effects of fraud don't have an immediate impact on your bank balance. And number 4 is legitimate emergencies. Life happens, and sometimes we don't have enough readily available cash to pay for emergencies. Life's emergencies can range from broken appliances to broken cars to broken bones, and in these cases, you might not have any other viable option for payment. Using credit isn't necessarily a bad thing. In fact, if you plan carefully, you may reap several types of benefits from using credit cards and still avoid paying interest. You'll have to pay off the balance right away to avoid finance charges though, so always think twice before you charge once. Some credit cards offer consumer benefits like extended warranties, extra insurance, or even rewards. So therefore, we may actually have some situations in which using a credit card may come in handy. So thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like and subscribe button to keep getting future content. Go ahead and tap that notification bell while you're at it. Enjoy the rest of your day.